I wanted to get this Cartier tank mast for a very long time. 6 months ago I got it and now I don't wear it. In this video I will explain why I don't wear this iconic watch. There were some things that surprised me when I got this watch, and I will come to it later. In the recent year or so, the Cartier tank mast has become some kind of hyped watch. I think 3 main factors contributed to this. Rolex and availability, people are looking for the next best thing, and Cartier watches are one of them. The small watch's popularity, the Cartier tank solar bead model. This model was really hard to buy, but it made many folks looking to get those. I loved small watches long before it became a trend. It was actually quite an opposite. There was a time when large watches were trendy, and that was one of the reasons why I always was in love with vintage watches. But the Cartier tank mast or the previous Solo model were always in my radar as an ultimate dress watch. The new Cartier tank mast is a quintessential dress watch in many aspects. It is simple, it is beautiful, and it has a timeless design. It is an iconic watch from a well-known and well-respected brand. Everyone knows Cartier as a brand. The particular quartz model or the similar solar bead model are not expensive. Well, it is a lot of money for a simple stainless steel quartz watch with 2 hands. But if you will take into consideration the brand, the prestige, the history, then the price is not too expensive. Especially if you will compare to top tier brands. So I bought this Cartier tank mast large 6 months ago. I was very excited to get this long wanted watch. The model I got is the regular quartz, not the solar bead one. Check out my unboxing and first impressions video about this watch. When I got the watch and opened the box and tried it on my wrist, I was very surprised by 2 things. The Cartier box felt cheap, the watch felt and seemed small, the strap was not comfortable, and the dial was actually silvered, not white. Which I should be expecting judging by the description, but for some reason I was under the impression that the dial is white, maybe judging by various photos and videos. As of the size, I honestly expected them to be a bit larger. It does seem like women's watch size. But I love the size anyway. It aligns perfectly with my understanding of how the classic watch should be on a wrist. Another thing you should know that the watch case is flat. There is no curve that would hug your wrist. For a smaller and not flat wrist, this may be noticeable. Here are the specs of the watch. It is a simple stainless steel watch with 2 hands, minute and hour hands. The hands are tempered blue, very beautiful. Silvered, not white dial. Tank mast watch is powered by the high autonomy quartz movement. The salesperson at the Cartier ID said that the battery life should be enough for about 7 years, which is great if true. The watch came with a black grain calfskin strap with quick release option. If you like bracelets, I would recommend order on a bracelet version, because the strap is not the best quality. I bought a strap from Deluxe and I like it more. The case dimensions are 33.7mm by 25.5, thickness 6.6mm, water resistance up to 3 bar or 30 meters. After a while I noticed that I was wearing this Cartier less and less, and after about a month it was mostly sitting in my box. Every morning I was choosing another watch from the box to wear. I guess there are not too many occasions that I feel that this classic Cartier would fit. Another reason is the Cartier is the quartz model, so I don't have to worry about the movement running. When it comes to watches in my everyday rotation, I'd like to keep them running so I can pick it up and wear it without correcting the time. So there's a chance if this Cartier would be an automatic watch, I would be wearing them in a constant rotation also. Then I introduced it to my wife and she loved it. I'm still glad that I have this watch in my collection. Well, technically in our family collection. I was thinking to buy a small tank version for my wife, but she likes this large model a lot and wears it almost every day. So now for the future I'm thinking of getting another Cartier model for my wife, because I still would love to wear this tank model once in a while. Or maybe getting a GOC reverso for myself, which I also like a lot. I still think that the watch is great, it can be worn as everyday watch if you wish to. It is elegant, beautiful, light and not in the face watch. You probably even will be safer on some city streets with this watch, compared to Rolex for example. Let me know your thoughts about this Cartier tank. Is it too small for men? Is it right size? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye now and take care.